The registration process for the entrance test of Odisha Adarsha Vidyalaya and Odisha Mining Adarsha Vidyalaya began on 1st November and will continue till October 20. The examination will be held by 15th January 2024. The mortal remains of BSF Jawan Pratap Parida were consigned to flame with full state honour at his native village Mall of Badatara Panchayat under Gop block of Puri district on Monday. A total of 910.74 gm brown sugar and 17.60 quintals of ganja has been seized by the Commissionerate Police in Bhubaneswar Urban Police District (UPD) during the last 10 months, 1 January 2023 to 31 October 2023 under Operation White Spider, a press release issued by Bhubaneswar DCP said. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik on Monday launched the flagship rural welfare scheme Ama Odisha Naveen Odisha in Kandhamal, Angul and Gajapati districts. Launching the scheme through video conference, Patnaik said it will strengthen the infrastructure with a focus on every village and every panchayat in the state. The Khurda District and Sessions Court today deferred hearing on the bail plea of film producer Sanjay aka Tutu Nayak to November 8. The court directed the police to submit the updated case diary and old records. Stern action will be taken against those involved in vandalism at Ambabhona police station on Sunday, informed Bargar SP Prahlad Sahai Meena. A case has been registered in Ambabhona police station against more than 100 people in connection with vandalism at the police station yesterday. The Regional Center of the India Meteorological Department, IMD, here on Monday predicted that colder days are ahead in Odisha as the minimum temperature, night temperature, is likely to drop by 3 degrees Celsius से 4 degrees Celsius this week. Police on Monday detained a person in the Kankadaha block of Odisha's Dhenkanal on charges of practicing medicine without a degree, while another managed to flee after seeing the approaching police. A couple sustained critical burn injuries in Bapas Chamber Colony under Bonai police limits in Odisha's Sundargarh district on Monday while cooking food. The victims have been identified as Shivaji Lakra and Anita Lakra. Shivaji is an employee of OMC in Khandadhara, while Anita is a homemaker. Pitambar Khilar, a teacher in Behenga block in Odisha's Balasore district, was recently felicitated by the World Book of Records in London for his matchless contribution in promoting the educational cause to serve humanity. Superstition and blind faith still prevail in the rural pockets of the country, and this was once again evident in Jhanjhana village under Soso police limits in Odisha's Keonjhar district on Sunday evening. The second flight service connecting Bhubaneswar to Jaipur, Koraput took off from Biju Patnaik International Airport, BPIA, in Bhubaneswar on Sunday. The air services will be available twice a week, every Monday and Friday. Odisha defeated the mighty Manipur 4-2 in the tiebreaker to become the champion of the 37th National Games Women's Football Competition at Tilak Maidan, at Vasco, Goa, on Sunday. The tiebreaker was applied after the two teams were locked 1-1 at the end of the regulation period. The BJP on Monday had to change its candidate from Masuda Abhishek Singh after it surfaced that he reportedly hid facts and presented fake credentials to get the ticket. Now Virendra Singh Kanwat will be the BJP's candidate from the seat. Despite the approval of the Hinduja Group's resolution plan by lenders with an overwhelming 99.6% vote 5 months ago, the resolution process for Reliance Capital has not reached its conclusion. Union Minister for Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Piyush Goyal on Monday flagged off 100 mobile vans for sale of wheat flour, atta, under Bharat brand from Kartavya Path, New Delhi. A Mizoram police personnel, deployed for Tuesday's assembly election, died in a road accident while another died of illness, officials said on Monday. Following the allegation of the involvement of BJP MLA N. Munirathna in the murder of senior female geologist K.S. Prathima, Karnataka Home Minister G. Parmeshwar stated on Monday that the case will be probed from all angles. DP World inaugurated the next phase of its Beyond Boundaries initiative in Ahmedabad. The unveiling of the second container took place at the Narendra Modi Stadium in the presence of Jai Shah, BCCI Secretary and President, Asian Cricket Council. Days after skipping the Enforcement Directorate, Ted, someone in connection with the excise policy case, Delhi Chief Minister and AAP leader Arvind Kejriwal has called a meeting of his party MLAs. Nationalist Congress Party President Sharad Pawar and Working President Supriya Sule called on ailing party MLC Eknath Khadse at the Bombay hospital here on Monday afternoon, officials said. An Indian man has been sentenced to life in the U.S. state of Florida for fatally stabbing his 26-year-old wife 17 times and then driving over her body before fleeing from the scene in 2020, a media report said. Sri Lanka's Sports Minister Roshan Ranasinghe has sacked the entire staff of the National Cricket Board following a dismal 2023 ICC Cricket World Cup campaign, and has appointed an interim committee led by Arjuna Rantunga. The Cricket Association of Bengal, CAB President Snehasish Ganguly on Sunday presented India batter Virat Kohli with a gold-plated bat on the occasion of his birthday on Sunday. World No. 1 Novak Djokovic eased past Grigor Dimitrov to claim a record-extending 7th ATP Masters 1000 title at Paris Masters. Djokovic delivered a typically resilient all-around performance to clinch a 6-4, 6-3 triumph, becoming the first player to win 40 Masters 1000 crowns on Sunday. Sri Lanka batting all-rounder Angelo Matthews on Monday became the first cricketer to be dismissed timed out in international cricket during the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup 2023 match against Bangladesh here at Arun Jaitley Stadium. Actress Sara Ali Khan, who is known for films like Zara Hatke Zara Bachke, Atrangi Re, Kedarnath and Simba, has clarified that she is not dating Indian cricketer Shubman Gill, who is currently busy with the ongoing World Cup. Bollywood megastar Amitabh Bachchan has demanded a legal action over a reported morphed video of his goodbye co-star Rashmika Mandanna. Reportedly, a short objectionable video of the actress went viral in the social media. The ace fashion designer of Bollywood, Manish Malhotra, hosted a grand pre-Diwali party at his residence here, and among the attendees were Neeta Ambani, Rekha, Salman Khan, Gauri Khan, Madhuri Dixit, Karan Johar, Raveena Tandon and many other celebrities. Bollywood actor Randeep Hooda is all set to marry actress and his longtime girlfriend Lynn Lashram by the end of November, claimed a source close to the Sarbeet fame star on Sunday.